Hey folks, this is Teddy, and networking on LinkedIn is a powerful and important business process. It must be done consistently in order to create results. It starts with knowing who you want to connect with and what people and what companies, what industries and regions. And as you connect, remember, smile and be friendly. Don't become a robot and make it all about business. Follow the Dale Carnegie principles of making the conversations all about the other person at first. And I've added a philosophy to my networking. It goes something like this: make the conversation all about the other person until you get permission to talk about yourself or your business. And as you connect, you never know who knows who and who can introduce you to who. This could be considered mysterious, but for me, it's one of the coolest things about networking. So keep connecting. And as long as you're doing it with purpose and intention, focused on your goals, trust the magic of networking will work. And don't just network on LinkedIn. Find opportunities to meet in person or over Skype or phone. Digital face-to-face is better than never face-to-face. People want to do business with people they trust, respect, and like. And these open conversations can help you achieve that. And listen to what your connections are saying or asking. Don't listen to respond, but rather listen to understand. Remember to give to your LinkedIn network. When you give ideas and information and new philosophies that are relevant to them, this adds more trust, respect, and like. And please don't confuse barfing out brochures and case studies as giving. Give your audience and your target audience what they want, they need, and are interested in, even if it's not about your business. And help your target audience connect to others who can help each other. And do this with no expectation of anything in return. Pay attention to your target audience as you continue to network. Show empathy. Bolster their self-esteem where you can. You will never be forgotten when you care for your network. And if you lead with give and care for your network, they will be open to introducing you to others that you need to meet. And ask for these introductions when you can. Connecting the dots on LinkedIn is how you discover that next great connection. So pay attention to who your network knows, who they're connected to, and who they can introduce you to. Again, ask when you have permission. I discovered years ago that my network is my most important asset in life. And my LinkedIn network is a huge part of my overall network. And I hope that you too can feel the same way about your network, that it is critical to you, to your business, to your career, to your success. And if you can, then please never damage the reputation that you're developing with your network. Always care for your network. Diversify your network. And share your network and give to your network every day. And I promise it will return great dividends. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it gets you encouraged to network with purpose and intention.